Well, hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Love to Create by Tonya. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of home decor DIYs. You'll see a lot of thrift store makeovers here and a lot of the thrift store hauls. I'm also going to be doing a lot more of the Dollar Tree hauls, Walmart hauls, Dollar General, just any of the home decor stores and the craft stores that I can find unique and fun things to bring to you and share with you, so you'll know that they're out in the stores and you may want to go look for them yourself. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start today's haul. Now, I have a couple of different things. I have found some really beautiful greenery at Walmart. I'm going to go ahead and start with this. It was $6.11, everyone, for all of this greenery. And I want you to look at how much greenery I found. I mean, this is just unreal of how much greenery. And the picks are actually, let me see if I can hold it up here. These are actually Rosemary Picks, but I am going to use these in my Christmas theme, and I thought that it would just be a really fun. I'm actually going to use them also in my kitchen decor for fall. And they were 10 cents. I just cannot believe this. 10 cents for these. And most of these were the rosemary, and then there was just a few of these little eucalyptus picks. And where I found them at was on the bottom shelf, and I was over there actually looking for some eucalyptus vines and different greenery to add into that neutral decor DIY that I'm going to be doing for the fall season. But can you believe this? And right now is the time to go look for these, because they have them out and they're wanting to get rid of what they have left. But that is the first great find, and you can just see it's really big, from Walmart. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you, I ordered these little fairy lights, and this is an Amazon find. And there was 12 of these. I will leave the link to this in the description below. And what I really like about these, they come in these little packs, and I like the size of these because they're going to be really easy to hide in behind our, little crafts that we make. And I just want to show you one, just how bright they are. I mean, they've got just a beautiful color tone. And I think there's a brighter one in there. I kind of got the more muted color tone. But I love the length of these. I mean, they're a pretty good length. I'm not sure. Let's see what size they actually are. I think they're a couple feet. But, I mean, great little piece to wrap around our DIYs or put them inside of a glass jar. But you do get 12 of these, and they are $14.99. And I will leave a link in the description below for these. These over here. Now, the next thing that I got from Amazon, since I had just gotten my Cricut, was some of the transfer paper, and it's 12 inches by 50 feet. And this one is $16.88. And I just thought that was a really good deal for this, for that much of it. And like I said, I will leave this one in the description below also. And then the other one that I had found was I think this is the black. Yes, the matte black, which I was really, really happy to find the matte black. And this one was actually a little bit less. This was the 12 inches by 30 feet. And the price on this one, it was $14.99. So you may want to go peek on those if you need some of the black matte. And like I said, I'll leave the link to all of these in the description below. Now, the next one that I had found was let me see, I forgot which one this one was. This was the white matte that I had ordered. And the price on this one was $11.69 for this one, and it was 12 inches by 25 feet. And I still think that's a really good deal. But if you're interested in these, I will definitely have that link for you below. Now, I'm going to go ahead and move on to our Dollar Tree haul. I did find some more of the vinyl paper, and I know this isn't quite as good a deal as the ones you can get off of Amazon because it's 12 inches by 48 inches, which isn't too bad. But I went ahead and got like that gray glitter because I thought that would be something that would be neat to use maybe on like a little snowman theme. And then they had the matte black. They did have several colors of the vinyl paper out now. And then this was something a little bit new to me, and these were the little galvanized signs, and I had gotten 2 of these, and they're pretty good size. And they also had the ones in the pack, and I believe there is just one in here of these. But that was, here we go. That was a great find. And then I found the little galvanized signs, and here's the thankful and the welcome and then family, which I thought that was another great find. And then I don't know about you, but I haven't been able to find these, and they finally have got these back in. And I think you need to grab these when you see them because these are great to make the snowman out of. And I've actually got a little idea where I'm going to try to do something with these to make a pumpkin a little bigger. We'll see how that one works out. And then I also got one of these bigger balls because I thought this would be something that you could wrap up and do a cute little pumpkin out of. And then they had several of these, and I think these are great for making the fall and Christmas wreaths because you can just add so many different layers of things. So I did get a few of these. And then I stopped. Oh, here's another little thing I thought was new. I thought this was a really neat one, even if you wanted to do like a little star for the Christmas tree. But that was a fun one. And then, let's see. Okay, I already told you guys that I'm going to be doing the neutral color theme for my kitchen. So I got several of these, but I'm just going to show you the different ones that I had found. Of course, they had the ones that are on the little... what are these called? Oh my God, the clips. The ones that they have on the clips. I found some of those. And then I thought these little tiny ones were really cute. And then, of course, they had some more of these. These are actually on wire. And that was another one that I haven't seen this one. They might have had it. And, of course, some of the larger one on the picks. But, so I think I'm ready for my neutral pumpkins for my kitchen DIY. And then a couple more things I found was, of course, you got to have that super glue. I'm going to be using that a lot. And then I just picked up some of these little craft sticks, just these smaller ones, just to have. I actually like to use these to smear my glue, hot glue around and put things together. And then, and I've actually got a DIY coming up that I'm going to need some tiny little scissors. So I grabbed some of the little cuticle scissors. And then, let me see what else I found. I'll just share this because I thought these were really cute. I thought they had really cute little notebooks there. And what else? I actually got these for dusting, but I thought what a pretty little color that would be if you wanted to wrap up something and make a pumpkin out of that. Well, everyone, I got one more item. And I was really, really happy to find these. And the reason why I'm saving them for last is because I'm going to gather up some items again for a giveaway basket. And I'll be letting you know what's in that and doing a video on everything I'm going to be putting in there. And I absolutely was so excited to find these little mats. This is the first time that I have seen them at my Dollar Tree, and I'm definitely going to be putting some of these mats in there in the basket, and I'm also going to add some of the calendars that I found and maybe a few more things. I might wait and do it when they kind of put out the Christmas stuff. But that's pretty much everything that I have found, and I hope that I give you some ideas of places to go, and definitely see if you can score some of this greenery for 10 cents a bunch. I was just absolutely so thrilled about this. And I guess that's pretty much it. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this really quick mini haul. And if so, I'd appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up. That really does help YouTube notice my channel a bit more. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider doing so. And remember, I will be doing home decor DIYs here, and I'll be doing more of these hauls, and I'll be doing thrift store finds. And here in the next month or two, I am going to be doing some makeovers on some furniture with my daughter if we can get that together this year. So cross your fingers for that. She's got a few things that she wanted to redo, and I said, how about I come down and film that and share it with you? So I'll keep you updated if that's going to happen. And of course, as always, keep your eye out on that community post. I'll be changing that. And I noticed that several of you have commented on the poll as far as what is your favorite fall decor to decorate with. So I guess that's pretty much it. Well, everyone, I am going to go ahead and let you go and get busy on those DIYs and finish those up for this weekend's video, and I will see you then. Bye.